Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take partial profit in TradingView. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on TradingView website, and so from here we are opening a trade. So for us to close a partial close website, all you have to do is click on the plus sign on right here on the bottom. Once you click on it, it's going to open for you this tab, and so from here you can see the positions that you are right now going through. All you have to do is go from the right section and then click on the X button. Once you click on the X button, it's going to show the close, but it's going to open this window right here. And then from here, once you click on it, it's going to show you the position. And so we're going to check the partial close button. Once you check it, it's going to show you the units. And so you're going to decide however much units you would like to close. And once you edit that to your liking, then you're going to just submit it. And then from here, it's going to show you that is done. And so you're going to click on close position, just like this. Now from here, once that is done, it's going to show you that it is going through it. And then once you click on close, then it's going to show the normal window back again. And so it's going to tell you that it is done. And that's pretty much it. You can do that with whatever partial close you would like for any other currency. And it is really done. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.